are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, guys, if you just started watching the show, which most of you have watched for years, a redo video is because I thoroughly screwed up. So today is a redo video. So when I made the lime water, I made it with lime juice and water, and I got the recipe from a source that wasn't quite reliable to making lime water for storing eggs. So I have since 4 sources came up with the same numbers. They said gallon of water, use pickling lime, which is, this is a bag of pickling lime, like you make pickles, and farm fresh eggs that were not washed. Once again, not washed. So, pickling lime in water, not washed. So what we're going to do is, we're going to try this again. We're going to do it correctly right now. This is the way the Amish do it. I verified it. We'll put it on the back counter so you can see in further videos. Okay, guys, this seems like a lot, but I have verified once again from 4 places. It's 1 ounce of the pickling lime with every quart, and this is a gallon. So 4 ounces to 1 gallon. All right, and then it said pour it in. So the way we're gonna submerge this is put it in there, and gently set it in using the ladle. All I know is the pickling lime is supposed to dissolve into the water. We stirred it, stayed cloudy, so we're going to watch this carefully. So we let this sit overnight. As you can see, the pickling lime has settled to the bottom, a little bit on the shells, but it is cloudy until you let it rest and then it settles. Basically, that pickling lime is to keep the pH balance up so that these eggs don't take on bacteria or anything, they stay clean. So we will try these eggs in a year. Maybe we'll sample one in 6 months. Some websites have said 6 months, 6 months to a year. Some websites have said as high as 15 years. I have no idea, but we'll take an egg out, make sure it's okay and doesn't float. If it floats, it's probably spoiled. So we'll test that out first, then we'll cook it and taste it and see what it's like for the Amish as it's called water glassing, as they water glass their eggs. So anyway, let me put this on the back counter. We'll just leave it there for a while, and then maybe we'll pop one in our mouth in 6 months to start. All right? Love you guys. See you on the next video.